Janata Party has released its Sankalp Patra for the upcoming Delhi elections. Nari Shakti is at the centre of its welfare schemes yet again. The party has announced Mahila Samriddhi Yojana, under which women will receive an assistance of 2,500 rupees per month. It has also promised one-time financial assistance of 21,000 rupees and 6 nutritional kits for pregnant women. The BJP government will also provide a 500 rupee subsidy on LPG cylinders, and the people will receive 2 free cylinders on Diwali and Holi. And that's not all. It has also been assured to Delhiites that if the BJP comes to power, it will enforce the centre's flagship Ayushman Bharat health scheme.
जो दिल्ली में जन कल्याण की योजनाएं चल रही हैं, वह सारी योजनाएं भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनने पर जारी रहेंगी। महिला समृद्धि योजना के तहत प्रति माह 2,500 रुपए महिलाओं को दिया जाएगा। 21,000 रुपए प्रति प्रेग्नेंट मदर को चीफ मिनिस्टर के मातृत्व सुरक्षा योजना के तहत वह भी दिया जाएगा। हम आयुष्मान भारत को जो केंद्र सरकार की स्कीम है, उसको लेटर और स्पिरिट में पहली कैबिनेट में इंप्लीमेंट करेंगे। और इसके साथ साथ हम 5 लाख रुपए का दिल्ली सरकार की तरफ से एडिशनल हेल्थ कवर देंगे।
Now, BJP's manifesto, as expected, has not gone down well with the Aam Aadmi Party. Its convener Arvind Kejriwal has alleged that the Saffron Party has simply copy-pasted its promises. He's also attacked the Prime Minister, who has often voiced his concerns against reveries, saying that his party has also offered reveries in the manifesto this time. Therefore, he should come forward and announce that he too agrees with the idea of freebies.
आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष ने ऐलान किया है कि हम भी केजरीवाल की तरह फ्री की रेवड़ी देंगे, हम भी केजरीवाल वाली फ्री की रेवड़ी देंगे। तो मैं उनसे कहना चाहता हूं कि प्रधानमंत्री जी सामने आके स्पेसिफिकली ऐलान करे कि उनकी इस पे सहमति है, और वो कहें कि पहले जो मोदी जी कह रहे थे वो गलत था। अभी तक मोदी जी ने जब जब कहा कि फ्री की रेवड़ी सही नहीं है, मोदी जी कहें कि मैंने गलत बोला था, केजरीवाल सही था। जनता यही पूछ रही है उनसे, भी जब केजरीवाल का ही काम तुमने करना है तो केजरीवाल का काम करने के लिए फिर केजरीवाल ही ठीक है, तुमको क्यों लेके आए? पूरा घोषणा पत्र बनाया जाए तो वो यही है कि जो काम केजरीवाल कर रहा है वो बहुत अच्छा है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी केजरीवाल के काम की सराहना करती है, और अगर दिल्ली की जनता ने मौका दिया तो केजरीवाल का काम जारी रखेंगे। इससे खोखले विजन वाली पार्टी मैंने कभी आज तक जिंदगी में नहीं देखी, जिनके पास कोई सोच ही नहीं है दिल्ली के लिए, कोई विजन ही नहीं है। इनके संकल्प पत्र में नहीं है कि दिल्ली की कानून व्यवस्था कैसे, पूरा का पूरा इनका संकल्प पत्र झूठ का पुलिंदा है।
All right, let me go across to my colleague Nikhil, who's joining us with more on this. Nikhil, freebie against freebie is what we're seeing in the national capital. Nikhil, are you able to hear me? All right, we have Nikhil with us. Nikhil, you know what, I was saying that it's freebie versus freebie in the national capital, all political parties going out to woo the voters. What more details do you have? Of course, Arvind Kejriwal has hit out at the BJP as well as the Prime Minister to what he says they should accept that they are also following the freebie model.
And Shreya, apart from it, there are some of the other leaders as well from the Aam Aadmi Party who are saying that the schemes or the yojnas which were announced in the states like Haryana and UP as well, they are still not yet delivered to the voters, to the people of that particular state. And if they were to provide the free LPG cylinders, then they should start doing it from the UP in the very first place. And about the women, they should provide the money to women firstly in the state of Haryana. So that is the particular point which is currently being raised by the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party. In fact, Arvind Kejriwal as well, he had gone on to say that if the similar schemes are going to be provided by the BJP, then why would the voters give them vote in the very first place. So this is something which is going to be seen, but clearly now the freebies scheme are the center of attraction for the voters, although still there are 3 weeks to the election. So we need to see as to how exactly this is going to pan out, because JP Nadda, who is the national president for the Bharatiya Janata Party, he has clearly announced that this is only the part 1 of the Sankalp Patra. So there are another 2 parts as well which are yet to be announced, but they are going to gauge the mood of the voters as to what exactly is the response of the people who are residing in the capital city after the first announcement which have been made by the Bharatiya Janata Party for the Delhi Assembly election. But clearly, as you have rightly said, that the center of attraction is about the Mahila or the freebies which have been announced for the women. To repeat the same, Aam Aadmi Party have said that they are going to provide 2100, but BJP and Congress are the one who have gone on to say that they are going to provide 2500 rupees for the women. But no party is able to tell as to where exactly they are going to fund all of these freebies scheme. But remember, these are the only things which have been announced so far. There are still a couple of things which are yet in the store, which are yet to be out. So we need to see as to how exactly the things and the another announcement are going to pan out in next couple of days. Back to you.
Right, Nikhil, thanks very much for joining us at the moment and getting us the latest as far as the Delhi election and political parties trying to reach out to the voters with various schemes is concerned. With that, let's shift our focus to actors